One of the big reveals at this year's Xbox press conference was the fact that you will be able to design your own controller, and also there's a new Xbox One controller with a few tweaks. We're going to talk about this. You should say that it's not coming out to Europe straight away, but you're thinking about it. How did you come about the idea of letting people design their own controller?
Yeah, so at Xbox Design Lab, we're basically giving fans the options to design their own controller, and we will make it and hand ship it. We'll hand make it and ship it to their door. They can start ordering now, and we're going to ship in September. There's over 8 million color combinations to choose from. Fans can choose the color of the front case, the bumpers, the triggers, and even more. And they can also add optional engraving to really make it personalized. So at Xbox, we want to add more ways for fans to really make gaming their own, whether it's the hardware they're choosing, the way they play, how they play, who they play with. It's all part of our plan to really kind of democratize gaming for everybody.
Very interesting. But the materials are exactly the same as the standard, or are there any options with that as well?
Yeah, so the controller you see here is the same one that we announced earlier in the briefing. It's upgraded. It is a newer version of the controller that includes Bluetooth for easier wireless gaming on Windows 10 devices. It has a textured grip, so that really sticks in your hand a little bit better, and also has improved range as well.
Why did you want to make improved range? Is this something that the people have been asking for, or?
Well, it kind of goes back again to gaming how you want to. Depending on certain individuals who have kind of a larger living room space or bigger play area, they want to game environments that they need a little bit more range, and it's also part of the continuous improvement as well. We discovered that we had that capability to really improve the quality of the wireless signal and the range as well, so we were able to put that in this upgraded controller.
I think maybe it fits as well with this whole beyond generations kind of thinking, that you're not stuck in sort of a cycle when it comes to upgrading the hardware and coming up with new things for it, because it's going to everything is going to be sort of forward compatible to whatever's going to happen next.
That's right. Yeah, we want to make sure our controllers are future-proofed as well. So these controllers we expect to last a really long time, and hopefully for the next console that you use it with, the ones that we announced today and the ones that we'll deliver in the years to come.
We touched on it in the beginning that Europe will have to wait. Can you give us some of the reasoning why it is that we have to wait? Is it logistics, or what is it?
Yeah, really, we look forward to bringing the Xbox Design Lab to more and more markets. We're starting with US, Canada, and Puerto Rico this holiday, and in 2017 we're going to be expanding to more markets, and we're actively looking at European markets as well. Part of the challenge is just kind of logistically getting up and running, making sure that the services that we're offering, we're able to delight our fans in markets around the world, and we're just kind of starting a few countries. And just like Xbox is available in many, many markets worldwide, we're hopeful that Xbox Design Lab will also be available in more countries to come.
Have you announced pricing yet?
Yeah, we have. In the US, it's $79.99 for the base controller, and if you want to add optional engraving, that's additional $9.99.
Cool. So it's not quite up there with the Elite controller, but a little bit more expensive than the standard.
Yeah, the Elite controller definitely goes for a little bit more. That's a controller that's all about improving your gaming performance, and it has a lot more features. We're really encouraged by the price point on this, and we think it's competitive, and we think your fans are getting a lot for their money.
Did you consider doing something similar with the Elite controller, perhaps?
We have a partnership in place with Scuf that we're working on. We're looking forward to sharing more news on that. You can go to scufgaming.com right now and take a look at kind of the things that are in the works there, and sign up on their website to learn more about when they'll have a customized version of the Elite controller out.
Sounds good. Thank you so much for your time.
Yeah, my pleasure. Thank you.